Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Raid Shadow Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here you'll have to click on login button. You can either log in with your Playrium ID or you can log in with your Facebook account. In this video I'm gonna log in with my Facebook account, so tap on it. You'll have to click on the accept button in order to agree to the terms and policies of this game. And that is how you can log into Raid Shadow Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.